How to turn off notification on Fiverr. Are you guys facing issues to turn off notification on Fiverr app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Fiverr app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options. Just simply tap on Preferences. Now click on Notification. Tap on Email Notifications. Now turn off all these options. Once you turn it off, you won't get notification from Fiverr. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to turn off notification on a Fiverr application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.